E aí galerinha, sejam todos bem-vindos a mais uma gameplay de GTA V. Peço para que todos que estiverem chegando deixem o like, não vai custar nada. Participem da comunidade do Discord. E quem quiser apoiar o canal, agradeço desde já. E é isso aí, sejam todos bem-vindos. Galera, a partir de agora aqui, nós vai começar de onde nós parou lá com a parte do Michael de Santa, né? E o Frank Clinton. Aqui nós vai fazer o esquema do golpe, do roubo ao banco, né? Do banco aqui do GTA V. O assalto ao banco, né? Acredito que hoje nós vai fazer o assalto ao banco. E a galera da Twitch que tiver aí visualizando, anotem aí o meu canal principal, Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay, beleza? Recado, deixa eu passar. Ronaldo Carlos Televisão Gameplay, anotado? Visualizem aí. Então aqui nós vai minha conta, né, da Rockstar Nino Televisão, caso não saibam, galera, meu apelido é Nino, não lembra do Castelo Rá-Tim-Bum? Nino Televisão. Minha apelido é Nino. Olha o Chop aí. Nós vai continuar aqui, nós. Parou, deixa eu ver. Demora pra carregar, galera. Tô jogando na plataforma do Xbox One Slim meu. E é normal o jogo rodar assim, demorar. É porque não é SSD. Se fosse SSD já tava até a tela de loading já tava pré-carregada, já tava no jogo. Los Santos. Acho que vamos ver de onde parou aqui para fazer a campanha. Eu lembrei, nós ia andar na casa do Lester, esquematizar o assalto ao banco. Eu lembro no último episódio a gente ainda levou a Amanda, né? Nós estamos com o Franklin aqui.
Are you cooking for me tonight, boy? I don't understand.
A tia dele é a tia Denise.
I can't help but stick my nose in where it doesn't belong and amble cluelessly through life. Can I fix you gentlemen a drink?
Damn straight you can, woman. 2 scotches and a ceremonial bowl of water for the chief. I'm on the wagon.
Why you got to make all that racket?
Aqui nós não tem mais missão não, né? Vamos ver que horas são aqui no jogo. 2h58. Vamos fazer uma missão aqui de carro, pera aí. Deixa eu ver. Tem o negócio do paparazzi lá. Se não me engano, tem uma missão aqui, cara. Puta, aqui é essa área do mapa pra se explorar ainda. Lester. Onde tá esse ponto de interrogação aqui? Isso. Fazer essa missão da corrida. Vamos ver aqui.
What
Nossa, já quebrei o farol na frente. É o AO, né? Dono da oficina mecânica.
That crazy motherfucker Lamar hasn't got you killed yet?
No, not yet.
Trabalho
be
de turnos.
slacking.
Ainda
He's
não.
always slacking.
He's a fool, bro.
Sometimes.
Anyway, talking
E
of
às
fools,
vezes.
what would you say if I told you some fools I knew were running a little racing competition? And as luck would have it, they got this really beautiful
E que
silver
por
medal with
sorte,
your
eles
name
têm
on it.
medalha linda de
I
prata.
say go fuck yourself.
Bronze
Já
medal
vai
there?
se fuder.
Funny motherfucker.
Vamos apostar uma corrida. Tá, vamos pro meu carro, né? Óbvio. Ó, manobra, mano. Carro do Franklin rebaixado. Corrida de carros aqui, galera. Pera aí. Só lembra estilo Velozes e Furiosos, hein? Puta.
Are you racing or watching, Franklin?
Alright then.
Alright. Let's go. Sai da frente. Sai. Opa. Yeah!
You asshole, move!
O Franklin gritando.
Come on!
Ó, meu latarista. Eu tenho a sorte que eu tenho a habilidade especial. Opa. Não é minha. Oh. Acha de madrugada pelas ruas de Los Santos. Opa. Vai da frente! Segunda volta. Caraca, velho. Pô, legal que o personagem xinga, cara, quando bate o carro. Melhor tempo possível, né? Pô, já tô craque de cobra no jogo. Opa! Vamos lá, vamos lá. Vamos ganhar, Franklin. Nossa. Yeah, ganhei! Só isso, dinheiro? Tá amanhecendo um dia. Vamos voltar pro Michael. Cuidado, cuidado! A esposa não quer muito o Michael, não. Ai, ai. Ah, Trace dormindo. Vamos ver em primeira pessoa. Eita porra, que barulho é esse? A reação dela. É, uma arma aqui. Vamos ver o Jimmy. Não tá em casa. Televisão quebrada, hein? Vou pegar o carro da Trace? Ah, isso mesmo. Ó, o carro da Trace tá aqui. Deixa eu devolver. O nosso carro. Vamos aqui pro Lester. Ó, legal essa música, hein? Tomando tá direitos autorais, hein? Já quebrou o farol fácil. Amanhecendo um dia aqui em Los Santos. Quinta-feira. Um jogo, né? Pera aí, galera, vamos... O que é agora, notícia? Mary Wender. Jay Norris, Live Invader, morreu lá, tá vendo?
Fuck you! Give me your fucking money, now!
Don't shoot! I'm just a lowly agent!
I ain't playing here, and it over.
I didn't do
assault.
anything to you, please!
Do you wanna die over this, bitch?
Whoa! I owe you big. I can get you Corkers tickets.
Alvejei um bandido. Yeah! Um bandido alvejando outro bandido, né? Literalmente. Esses eventos aleatórios, né, galera? Sai da frente! Hã? Mais tartar.
The hell is this place? Garment factory. I needed a job that didn't
Uma
require
fábrica
me
de
to do
roupas.
anything apart from paying taxes.
Legal.
Okay, listen.
Ei, escuta.
What do you got?
O que você tem aí?
The Holy Grail.
Maior dos
Union
tesouros. União
Depository. They say
Depository.
it cannot be hit. Hasn't been yet.
Ah, ninguém conseguiu ainda.
I just owe some Mexican hood a couple
Vendo uns 2 milhões, viu? Por que destruir a casa? Não precisa fazer nenhuma loucura. Ah, tá. Dizem que ele não é muito bonzinho. Quando eu conheci ele foi um doce. Então você... Ou a gente assalta um banco fora da cidade, ou você prefere?
Well, Store's usually easier.
Lojas geralmente
I
são
gotta
mais
make a
fáceis.
big take.
Mas eu tenho que fazer muita
Well,
grana.
gems it is then. Let's
Bom,
go to
primeiro,
Evangelico.
vamos
buy
a
ourselves an
Evangelico.
engagement ring.
É,
We're gonna need a crew. I can round up some of the old guys.
There are no old guys.
Não tem mais cara das
Moses,
antigas.
ironically, he found Jesus. All those
Encontrou Jesus,
Irish
a
crazies,
maioria
they mostly
daqueles
just
irlandeses
disappeared.
logo
That crew from the south, they all
desapareceu.
went down. There was a
Tinha cara
Eastern European guy
do leste
making moves
europeu.
in
Ah,
Liberty
esse aí é o
City,
Nico
but
Pelli que tá falando, ó.
he went quiet.
Não vi mais nada dele.
All right. Well, we're
Alright.
gonna need a crew. You got any contacts in LS or not?
I've been working with someone, but they're too unpredictable. I'll have to reach out to some other guys.
Vamos lá.
The shop's on Little Portola.
A cara do Lester.
Your FIB buddies, they know you're back in business?
FIB buddies?
O FIB
What are
sabe
you talking
do
about?
que está
I checked
falando.
out the WPP thing. Doesn't look like any WITSEC program I'm aware of. But for starters, they don't put witnesses up in multi-million-dollar mansions in Rockford Hills.
Well, maybe they thought this would be the
Hills.
best cover.
And most witnesses don't transfer
Sabe,
five-figure
botou
sums
ativo,
into a
né?
particular FIB agent's bank account every month. Of course, the money gets moved around and washed through a number of fronts, but the trail is there. Deposits and withdrawals, the same sum every month. Agent Dave Norton, white middle-aged divorcee, unremarkable
Dave
career,
Norton.
except for one incident. Shooting of a notorious stick-up man, Michael Townley.
Yeah. All right. Lester, I'm very impressed.
Look, we can talk about this another time.
Nossa.
Take these glasses.
My eyesight's fine.
They're fitted with a camera and a radio relay. I'm gonna run the operation from the car while you're in the store getting what we need.
Vamos ver o que o Lester vai falar.
Forgive me.
Olha o Lester falando. Ai, eu adoro isso, cara. Fazendo. Ai. This guy.
Control the car, please.
What did the car read? Vamos ver aqui. Ele não sai do carro?
Oh my god!
Legal o arranhado, fica tudo no carro, né, cara?
Here we are.
Olha, eu tô com óculos. E aí, Lester?
Last I checked, we were casing Evangelico. Get in there. I need images of the interior, not the street. Come on.
E o Lester? Deixa eu ver aqui.
We don't need to scope out the street. Go inside. That doesn't help. Go inside the store. Last I checked, we were casing Evangelico. Get in there.
Pera aí, Lester.
So what if the investors won't get their money back? They're making art.
I need images of the interior, not the street. Come on. You reading me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we need shots of the security features,
legal.
the alarm system, ventilation, cameras.
Hey, Shelley. You would not believe how many...
We don't need to scope out the street. Go inside. That doesn't help. Go inside the store.
Calma aí, Lester. É.
Last I checked, we were casing Vangelico. Get in there.
Aqui, evangélico.
I need images of the interior, not the street. Come on.
Sir, thank you.
The alarm keypad is on the left when you come in, on the wall by the side door. Alright, what do we got here? Surveillance and ventilation. Now all I'm after is the alarm. All I need is a shot of the alarm keypad. There's nothing here. The keypad and we're done. Come on, we need a shot of the alarm console. All I need is a shot of the alarm keypad. The keypad and we're done. I can't see anything helpful.
Teclado do alarme.
The shot of the alarms come through. Good work. Now speak to the assistant and see if there's anything else we need to know.
Deixa eu ir lá ver.
Hey, beautiful. I need to pick up a little something
Preciso
for the
comprar uma
woman in my
coisinha.
life. Well, one of them.
Sir, I'm sure we can help you. Tell me about her. What's her taste?
Cheap, thank God. This ain't my wife we're talking about.
Yeah,
I don't know. I don't want to spend too much. I'm thinking maybe...
Maybe.
10 grand?
Our rings start at 8, our pendants start at 12.
All right. So these things built to last, or am I just paying for the Vangelico logo here?
No. We use perfect clarity jewels. 18 karat gold, 950 platinum. Nothing but the best.
All
Que da hora.
I think you just made a sale. I'm gonna take a look around. Think about it. Come back to you, baby. Don't go anywhere.
I understand.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Got it.
Come back to me.
Have a wonderful day.
So, we
Obrigado.
good?
Almost. I need to get eyes on the roof of the building. See where the ventilation comes out. Come on, Michael, let's go.
Pera aí.
If I don't get some gigs, I'll be taking classes at night lights. We going to that swinger party this weekend?
Let's hurry this up, Michael.
Ô, você é chato, hein, Lester? Calma.
Drive us around the block. We gotta find a way up to the roof.
Look, there. Some construction.
Yeah, if they're gutting the place, I might be able to get to the roof.
No, the air conditioning roof unit. We need to know where those vents come out. It's like a big box on the roof. No, the air conditioning roof unit.
So, you keep up with the old crew?
Well, after your death/disappearance, there wasn't much holding us together.
Yeah. You see him at all?
Yeah.
After the incident?
I kept tabs on him for a while, needed to know that he didn't blame me.
Yeah, where'd he go?
We need to know where those vents come out. I saw a ladder. Climb up it and see if you can get to the roof. North, south, east, west, wherever there were liquor stores to turn over and hitchhikers to disappear.
Where did they bury him?
They buried him? Not as far as I know.
He's probably a John Doe then, right? What do you think? OD, shootout, maybe just a car crash, right? Anonymous charred remains on the highway. If they only knew what a sick puppy they had on their hands. I'm on the roof.
I need to know where the air coming out of those vents in Vangelico
¿Qué está pasando
originates.
aquí?
There should be a unit above the store. It's like a big box on the roof.
Hey, I see the vents.
Yeah, I'm looking at the relay. Can you get any higher? I've pulled up a satellite image. It looks like the highest point is on the northwest side. Get a shot from there.
Nossa.
No, the air conditioning roof unit. We need to know where those vents come out.
Opa.
You've got a good vantage. Now use it and get an image of the air system. Okay, capture an image of the system and we're done. That's the shot. You've covered the vents on the roof now.
Tirar falhas, né?
Let's speed this up. We don't want to draw attention.
Nossa.
If you take any longer, you're risking blowing this whole thing.
Cala a boca, Leste. Chato pra caralho. Eu vou mais rápido que isso, velho.
Come on, Michael, let's go.
Hey, man!
Here, take your glasses back.
Let's go back to the garment factory. I called ahead and
Vamos
told them
lá.
to start setting up the information.
So, what did you see?
Nothing that'll cause undue complications.
Yeah, it looked like a simple setup. Cameras broadcasting to a remote server.
Saca
We
por
might
aqui,
be able to
vai,
wipe
é.
it remotely. Security guard on the door. He won't want to die for rich assholes with a nose in it.
Good. The alarm system's linked to the door lock. We'll get a good window. Someone talented hacks it.
Anything else?
Well, the more valuable
That's not
merchandise is in
inside,
the
no?
cabinets in the center of the store, by the register. So I'd start there.
Glass in the cabinets wasn't bulletproof. Means you can smash them easy enough, but the stones will be in the safe at night.
So, we go in when it's open then.
Right. Once we melt down the gold and cut the rocks, that's an okay score.
Yeah, shame we
Uma
can't
boa
go in
leva.
after hours,
Ah,
man.
sim.
Those vents look promising.
Might be able to flip that another way.
I'm listening.
Wait till we get back.
About the crew.
Yeah?
There's this kid who's been helping me. Maybe we could cut him in.
I don't work with amateurs.
He ain't an amateur. Or if he is, he's a gifted amateur about to turn pro. He's a good kid, Lester.
You know what they say? It's your funeral. One of them, at least.
Será que o Frank vai estar aqui com nós? Assustei o gatinho. Aqui vai ser nosso encontro. Oh, mexicano. Aqui estão as fotos.
Workers have their uses.
Servem para alguma coisa. Esquematizando o golpe.
Nice to see the methods.
Vamos ver que os métodos não mudaram. Bem,
Figure out what we're doing somehow.
descobrir o que vamos fazer.
Crews, the rolls, prep work. Don't want to leave evidence behind.
Não quero deixar evidência em risco disso. Então os métodos não mudam, certo? Não para um profissional.
Mapping out the options. Showing you all the
Vamos ver as
angles.
opções, né?
Area of professional expertise. Making decisions. That is your domain, my friend. Here.
Aqui, e aí?
And there's two ways I see of doing
Tem
this.
duas formas de fazer isso, a inteligente e a burra e barulhenta.
Remember the vents? If we're gonna be
Você
smart,
lembra
we
dos
pump
tubos
a
de
little
ventilação
knockout
da forma
gas through the air
inteligente?
system and hit
Nomeamos
the
gás.
cabinets while everyone's
Aí
out.
você
You'll
limpa
have to
os
source the
gases,
gas, of course,
se
but
precisar
crowd
conseguir o
control will
gás,
slow
é
you
claro,
down,
mas
and
pelo
that
menos
might
não haverá
improve the
problema.
take. The cover is pest control,
Nosso
so no one will look
despacho vai ser
twice when you're
controle
wearing
de
gas
pistões.
masks. It means
Então
getting a
ninguém,
pest
só
control
que isso
van,
quer dizer
though.
que vamos
You go in
precisar arranjar
dumb and
uma
you'll
van.
need your
Porque esse é o
famous
jeito
way
que o
with
povo vai
people
precisar
and
daquele
4
seu famoso
carbine
chama pessoal
rifles.
e
We
4
can't buy them
carabinas.
and risk them getting traced.
Mas nós não
No,
podemos
we've
comprar o
got to
risco
find some in
de sermos
circulation.
rastreados.
It's awkward. It's
Pode ser estranho, na
real
verdade,
awkward,
mas
but
essa arma
this is the
é
gun
a
favored
equipe.
by LSPD tactical teams, so one of their vans is probably a good place to look. A hacker can disable the cameras. The length of time depends on their ability. The alarm will be operating on the same window. The exit strategy is more or less the same for both options. The driver you pick will, of course, source some bikes. You come out of the store and make your way through the new subway tunnel they're digging off the Del Perro freeway. You lose the cops in there and meet a truck in the LS River.
All right, I want my guy Franklin on the getaway. He can handle a bike.
All right, if you vouch for him, I'll take the risk. So how do you want to do this? Run in through the front door or try to play it smart?
Vamos ver então. Vamos com a esperto, né? Óbvio.
You've grown wise and cautious in your old age.
Certo.
Okay. Select personnel with that in mind. As ever, the better they are, the bigger the cut. Now the driver, they'll source the
Agora em
bikes,
relação ao
lead you out
piloto,
through the
ele vai
tunnels.
conseguir motos pra ele. Cara em Hertz, não, que é um profissional.
Eddie Toe. Now you can count on
Você
him to
pode
get you
contar
out
com
of
ele
a
para
spot.
tirar você de qualquer lugar.
Guns. Now we're hoping to keep quiet, so this guy shouldn't
Estávamos
make
querendo
much
fazer
difference.
tudo em silêncio.
McCreary? He was part of
McCreary?
a well-known Liberty City stick-up crew. Small
Muito
world.
pequeno. Vamos usar o Mercury, cara. O Peck McQuarrie, ó lá. Exato.
I got a good feeling about him.
Hacker. Back office, but this is the person who will determine how long you
Mas
get
aí que você
inside.
termina, quanto tempo dá pra ficar?
This guy, Ricky.
Esse
I met
cara,
him
o
at
Rick,
the Life
conheci ele
Invader
no
office.
escritório do Live
He may not
Invader.
be that good, but he's enthusiastic.
Cara, não vamos escolher o Rick não, que vai ser ruim, Christian.
Feltz. Okay, he's not the
Tá
best,
bom, tá.
but if you move fast,
Mas se
that
você
won't
conseguir
matter.
ser rápido, esse não
If you're
será
happy,
problema.
I'll start making the arrangements. Great. I'll do some
Maravilha,
research on
isso
the
aí.
pest control van and the knockout gas, and I'll be in touch.
Primeiro golpe, né?
Good, good. I'll call you when everything's ready. You'll need to pitch it to the
Ele
guys.
vai precisar vender por...
Whoa, what? My rep don't count for
A
nothing
minha
no more.
reputação não conta mais nada.
Dead man, Michael. I'll call you.
Eu te ligo. O reconhecimento da joalheria. Ah, personagem golpes, né? Vamos ver o Lester aqui.
It'll take me some time to research this stuff. Don't hang around.
I'm out!
I'll call you when I've got...
Beleza, Lester, beleza. Oh, pode ligar pro Frank.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, man, it's me, Michael.
What's going on?
Listen,
Escuta, eu
I
tenho
gotta
que
get a hold of the money
ir
for
na
that house
casa.
we pulled
A
down,
gente tá
so
bom.
I'm getting a
Estamos
crew
montando uma
together
equipe
for,
aí pra... Acho que você
you can
consegue.
guess. The pay will be awful, and the risk will be high, but you might learn something if you're interested.
Se estiver
Man, that's not
interessado,
exactly a great sales
acho que
pitch,
não é
dog,
bom.
but I guess I
Não,
gotta
mas
start
acho que tem que
somewhere.
começar em
Thank
algum
you.
lugar.
Maybe one day you can put together your own deals,
Seus
your
próprios
own
serviços.
jobs. So, there's still some preparation
Legal,
I gotta
Franklin
do.
vai ser
Sit
aqui
tight for a
certinho.
while. My buddy Lester will get in touch with the details.
Lester vai entrar em contato. Vamos fazer essa missão com o Michael, né? A TT disse administradora Bookstart em uma das vans no armazém deles. No Porto de Los Santos, tem segurança lá. Então vai preparado para trocar tiro, vai na calada.
You know how much this car costs?
Hey, it's Lester. I don't listen to my messages, but I probably listen to yours. Do with that as you will.
Legal, legal.
You don't see me driving?
Nossa. Quem que é essa treinadora?
Not now. Message from me, get off your fat ass.
See this exercise stuff.
Ah, vejo que esse chefe relaxa você como é para minha esposa.
I don't want to sleep with you, and no, I don't care that I'm 39 and single. That
Michael.
doesn't worry me a bit.
Easy.
I'm
Ei,
not
calma,
stressed out
easy.
at all. Now go fuck yourself.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Just fuck you.
Yeah,
all of
okay.
You. I'm on a run.
Well, you seem a little upset.
Você parece
Still
meio
run
irritado.
you into the fucking ground.
Oh, oh, oh.
Hey, I played high school football, all right, sweetheart.
E na
All
escola,
state,
tá, querida?
QB.
Whatever. Just don't
Que
have a
seja.
coronary.
Ah,
Let's go.
ei, calma.
Okay, man, boobs, race you to the beach. I don't know who I'm more embarrassed for. You're not exactly dressed for cardio.
It's running. How much gear do you need?
The failed shot. This is so tragic. I can't believe you're cheating already. Stay on the path.
you should really think about behavioral medication.
Oh, look who it is! A man who can't stay on the path! Run on the road! Take that traffic head on!
Yeah, I could have guessed you were one of those.
Road is for runners! You broke my cadence, you fucking moron! Just give up! You're overcompensating! Amateur!
You have such a joy for life.
Okay, here we go! Last push! Come on! Flick the switch, Marianne! Let's go lactic!
I thought I had issues, but you give me hope.
I own you!
Eita
My
porra.
shrink's office is right near here if you want to work through some of that shit.
Yeah, because you're a walking advertisement for therapy!
Nossa.
Not too shabby, huh?
Totally null and void! I'd have annihilated you if you hadn't taken that
Caraca,
shortcut!
Yeah,
Ganhei, hein?
whatever gets you through it. Oh, my chest. Fuck me.
Screw you! You're lucky I'm tapering for a try!
Merda, hein? Nossa, novo contato. Vamos pegar essa motinha.
Hey, what's happening?
E aí, ó. Nossa, matei ela. Ah, fiquei na dor, velho.
Oh, crap.
Vamos escolher o Franklin.
Damn, baby, you sure you don't want to join me?
Vamos praticar mais a estante de tiro, galera. Cacete. Oh shit. Peraí.
Come on,
Boy, do I envy you. Living outside the rules. I wish I could, but I'm a stickler. It's my curse.
Not this again.
I was in a gang once in high school. Well, more of a club. We were light on the intimidation factor. You must have so many stories. Go on, tell me one. Just one. Come on, please.
All right, look, I'm gonna tell you a story. I'm gonna tell you a good one about a gun store owner who wouldn't shut up until one day a customer lost his cool and dropped the annoying son of a bitch.
Gotcha. Point taken. We'll stick to the business at hand. You have a cool walk, if you don't mind me saying. Couldn't have picked better myself.
Vamos aprender o tiro aqui. Ah, o mínimo. Legal. Uau. Acho que eu aumentei as minhas habilidades, tio. Vou salvar o jogo, né?
I bet you get so many bitches, don't you? I'm sorry. Why doesn't that sound so offensive when I say it?
Shit, you tell me.
You know, they're surprisingly comfortable. Come back soon.
Deu sorte sempre pra corridas. Caso tenha interesse, dirija-se a um ponto de encontro. Talvez me achar aqui.
Ain't that the truth? Oh, Lord! Reloading!
Sai da frente!
Look out the way!
Caralho, por isso demora, velho.
Shit! Shoot me! I'm out of ammo!
Are you cooking for me tonight, boy?
Sai fora, bicha. Ai ai. Salvar aqui.
I'ma have a gentleman call in later. so make yourself scarce.
Vamos ver aqui, galera, guys.
Man, you got off lucky, homie.
Vamos ver o que o Mario tá fazendo.
Nothing like buying things to make you happy.
Don't wait up for me.
Entregador, então vamos roubar ele com o Franklin. Já tá perto aqui. É pro Franklin não aparece? Vamos roubar essa van com o Franklin então. É perto do bairro do Franklin mesmo. Essa missão vamos deixar com o Franklin fazer. Tem que roubar o gás ou tudo, né?
Alright, dog. Man, that's dumb luck right there.
Ah, o porto de Los Santos, galera. Aqui é o porto. Nossa senhora! É só com o Michael, cara, vem aqui. Ah, essas coisas só com o Michael. Ai, que saco. É só o Michael prepara o golpe. Tô perdendo o maior tempo. Caramba, velho. Eu achei que era o Frank, não era o Frank, não? Oh, eu tô indo no lugar do Frank. Deixa o Frank aqui.
So, tell me again, how we gonna work this? We go door to door. Knock knock, 3 bed buggins.
Whoa! This is private property. Move along, please. Come on, sir. Move! We got vans coming in and out of here all day. You gotta move. Much appreciated.
Aham, valeu, muito obrigado.
Roaches, silverfish, red ants. Check, check, and check. Infested hand towel for planting. Check. Infested sheets for planting. Check.
Ah, isso aí. Isso tem que ser inteligente, cara. Sem chamar a atenção de polícia, nada. Tá vendo como que é? Tá falando de contaminação, né? É um carregamento de gás de sono sendo transportado pela energia a cada 2 horas. Para um carregamento intercept roube a vão, explota a ilha e pegue o gás. Vamos pegar então esse gás. Depois desse aqui. Vamos lá.
Hey, Lester, we got a pest control van.
Good. Now we just need the knockout gas.
I'm on it.
O copo da joalheria. Quem escolhemos? Ed Todd, Peg McCree e Christian Feltz.
Por favor, no me mates. Soy madre. Ay,
Soy madre.
No, please. Por favor.
What
Ay,
exactly
no me
is-
mates, no me mates. Ay, Jesús. Ay, Dios mío. Ay, Dios, no. Ay, Virgencita. Ay, Dios mío.
All right, let's do this thing.
Ay, Virgencita.
Os trabalhadores mexicanos.
Ay, Dios mío.
Aqui é uma loja fictícia de roupa.
Ay, Virgencita.
Citizens reporting assault with a deadly weapon in northern La Mesa.
Jesus Christ! Keep coolio, baby! It's just a car.
Já era uma vez. Para a boca.
Reporting 505 on San Andreas Avenue. Joalheria Heights.
Que alucinação, hein?
Get the fuck out of here!
That's it. I'm calling the police.
Carregamento de caminhão, hein? Bora com o caminhão. Antes desse dia acabar, eu já vou aplicar os dois gols. Ó, a cidade de Los Santos de longe. Cai fora! É assim que faz. Gente, a burrice é louco, mano. Antes do dia acabar, executamos 2 golpes de roubo de veículos. E agora o grande golpe. Isso aí.
Hey, Lest. I got the good night gas.
That's everything we need. I'll put up word that the score is ready to go.
Amanheceu no dia, hein? No outro dia. Vai ser no sábado, no golpe.
Now we all know why we're here.
Agora a gente sabe por que estamos aqui. O golpe da joalheria.
Plan is simple, elegant. Listen to Lester. Pay attention to the information he gives you, and we'll all make a buck. If things go bad, you know the drill. This wasn't organized. We don't know each other.
A gente não se
We got
conhece.
caught up in a robbery and acted in self-defense. But it's not going to be an issue. Everything's going to go just fine.
The alarm system is easy. Now, if I didn't need to be running things, I could have it offline myself. No problem, but you should be able to get us a pretty decent window. How decent depends on the job you do. Now, once it's down, you signal Michael, he makes the call.
Things look good. We should be able to drop a present right through the air vent on the roof. Everybody goes to sleep, no problem. We take our time. If we run into trouble, we move quickly and with force.
Is it for
questions?
Question?
No? Let's go.
Let's go.
Frank, you're with me. Christian, take the truck with the bikes. Toe, McCreary, take the van.
E aí, McCreary, GTA 4. E aí, beleza?
See you on Little Portola, people. Initials only from here on out.
Seu hack.
Vangelico awaits.
Peraí. Todos estão vindo, hein?
I'll drive the van. It's what I'm paid to do.
All right, you got it down?
I got it.
Because you use too much gas on these guys, you'll kill them.
Well, shit, don't blame me the way these canisters is mixed.
Just be careful.
Tá vindo a van e outro.
Yeah, okay.
Listen, I stuck my neck out for you here.
Man, you don't need to tell me that shit again.
I got faith in you, F, but you're unproven.
Unproven? For real? So I didn't prove myself when I jumped off the back of that yacht on the highway, huh?
Yeah, but these guys don't know you. They see some gangbanger with a happy trigger finger. They got money and their freedom on the line.
I ain't gonna fuck this up, man.
Good. I got enough shit to worry about.
The crew? Man, they look like serious people, homie.
They are, for the most part.
Most part?
I made a savings on the hacker. But that shouldn't matter if I do my job on the shop floor.
But the rest of them are serious, right? The gunman and the driver.
Yeah, they're serious. They're taking a serious cut. It better be fucking worth it.
Quanto mais você emprega um integrante da equipe, mais a habilidade dele aumenta. Não haverá mudança no pagamento de cada um. Ah, é? Da hora. Vamos lá, Frank.
All right, this is it up there. There's a way through the site up to the roof.
Man, we went over this. I'm cool.
Tô de boa.
All right, when the gas is in the ventilation system, give us the word.
For sure, man. Man, I got it. Hello? Exterminators here! Hey, there ain't no one around.
That suits us. Come on, get up to the roof.
Peraí, peraí. O atirador, né? Essa aqui é uma das missões mais legais do jogo.
Get your ass out here.
A missão é jogar um gás de sono, né?
Hey, kid, something go wrong?
Hold on. Almost there.
We're in position, waiting on your signal.
Just gotta get where I can throw this.
Olha ele lá em posição. Deixa eu ver. Ah, está em posição lá, ó, tá vendo? Esse é o Michael.
Not far enough. I got an angle. Hold on.
How you doing up there?
Sit tight. Man, I overthrew. Get it.
Vamos descer.
That was it. They going out.
You love her.
Well, I love her a lot.
Ah, o gás tá começando a funcionar.
Think about it like this.
Tem que
I
ser rápido, hein?
always say that I told them to fix that goddamn AC.
Aê!
What's going on?
Let's go.
Let's do this! Come on! Let's do this, kids!
I bought you some time. You've got just over a minute before the alarm's back online.
That's all I get for 10%? Bullshit!
50 seconds. 40.
We going big!
Grab it and move! Let's go!
This one's done!
Keep it up! Keep moving quick! You're doing great!
I'm leaving them empty! Fuck yeah! Come on!
30.
We ain't hitting projections here! We gotta push if we're gonna get what we want!
20.
Alright, we cleaned them out. Let's get out of here!
It's quiet out here, man. We go now, we get away clean.
You know, taking anything else would be greedy. Come on!
So for the last time.
É isso aí, conseguimos.
Fuck out my face.
You forget 1,000 things every day, pal.
Ah, o
Make
alarme
sure this
tocou
is one
agora.
of them. See you at the river. Go.
Vai.
Go, go, go!
Stay close, stay safe, now let's go. We got a sharp left coming
Agora
up
tem um
towards the
que
drive.
roubar com a grana. Ah, porra.
Veer right and drop down off the bridge on the Del Perro freeway. Whoa! Shit! Now we duck to the right into these tunnels. We're going through this tunnel up ahead. The tunnel splits.
Nossa, que tenso.
It gets muddy. Just keep going. I didn't know why we had dirt bikes. Now I see this dirt. I understand. I studied around. I'm not an idiot. These are the best bikes for the terrain. Down the corridor. We'll go into the sewer. There's a drop here.
Uhul.
Bear left here and hard left when you're through the gate.
Nossa.
We should start climbing toward the surface. This is the home straight.
Que tenso.
The truck should be waiting in the Ellis River.
Whoa.
I see light. We're out. Word of warning. The cops are waiting for you at the Ellis River. We'll try to help.
Hey, they own us! Fuck! Fuck!
Nossa.
Don't worry, I got you.
Shit, man, we screwed.
Keep driving. The bull bars on this truck should help us with the cops.
Get these rolls off us, bro. Look there, wrong block. Cut to the left bank of the river. This don't look so good. Another car, man.
Are we gonna make it?
Isso.
It's a shit show in this river, boys. Serious, man. We can't take much more of this. Back across the other side, right?
I think we're clear of the cops. All right, we got a window. Let's stop at the end of the river, get the bikes in the truck.
Caraca, beleza? Ah, esse caminhão é pra multar, né? Pra ir entrar as motos aqui dentro, eu sei, tá?
F, let's do this.
Rápido, Frank, vamos nessa. Vai.
Lester's waiting for us at
Pô,
the
faturando
lockup.
4 milhões e meio, acho. Haha, rapaz. As habilidades da equipe aumentaram. Ed, Peg e Christian. O nível de habilidade de um integrante da equipe aumentará a concluir serviços estratégicos. Certo. Cópias da joalheria é um dos primeiros, né?
Man, I thought I was gonna be stuck to that bike.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna be stuck under a cop car.
There gotta be more dudes.
Pegamos uma
waiting
bolada,
around
uma
that way.
grana, hein?
We did not just get away with that shit, did we?
You know what? I think we did.
Ah, man.
Oh yeah, we did it,
Isso, a
baby.
gente
We
conseguiu.
did it. Woo!
It is good to be alive. Oh, one step closer to retirement. I can't believe we pulled it off.
Isso aí.
Come on, nothing to see here.
Call your gym guy, Lesty, baby, cause we got merchandise.
Conseguimos!
All right, people.
Beleza,
We need
galera.
to split up. They're gonna be looking for a
Precisamos
crew.
dividir, vamos procurar
Why are
grupo.
your cuts when the rocks have been sold?
Parte vocês
Shit
quando.
was crazy, dog.
Essa
So
porra
what
foi
now?
tenso.
We get out of here. Keep our heads
A
down.
gente tá fora
You
daqui.
did good, kid. What'd I
Você
tell you,
saiu bem,
Lester,
meu
huh?
moleque.
All right, look, everybody take off. Hey, Franklin.
Ei, Franklin.
Listen, Lester and I got some things we
Olha
gotta
só,
clean
Lester
up.
tem
I
umas
want you
coisas
to
que a
stop
gente.
by the house
Quero que
later
você
on,
tenha
we'll
uma
celebrate,
passada lá em
right?
casa.
Huh?
Aí a gente
Okay.
comemora. Beleza.
Huh?
Aham.
We're back in
A
action.
gente voltou ativa. Isso aí. O copo e a joalheria. Das missões mais legais. 100%, hein? Uau! A mercadoria Martim atrás foi pago, tudo.
I don't care if you got money now. Don't you get it?
Opa,
That ain't what I was
opa,
looking
opa,
for.
opa,
Not
estamos aqui
then,
dentro.
not now, not ever.
I know it ain't important. Just let me take you somewhere nice, all right?
Where are you? Are you in a strip club? Grow up, stop looking for the
Denise,
easy
olha lá.
way.
Tanisha, I gotta go, all right?
Tanisha, olha lá.
I'ma change, I promise. You won't even recognize me.
Tá bom. Lester, novo contato, Lester.
Yo!
Ô, rapaz. Me encontre na minha casa. O dinheiro vai estar na sua conta logo, mas o Lester ainda vai precisar lavar. Dá um uísque aí, gata. Eu tô aqui dentro.
Damn, I need a drink.
Vou salvar logo o jogo. Vamos lá, vamos lá. Aqui é uma igreja, né? É um padre esse cara? Ah, uma senhora.
I don't care.
Vamos ver a rede social do Frank. Mapa de Los Santos.
Oh, that shit? Chop, what you been eating? I gotta get a regimen for your ass. Wake up, Chopper.
Vamos salvar aqui. Galera, vamos speed por aqui, já é quase 1h40 minutos de jogo, né? Fizemos um progresso legal. Hoje o principal foco foi o negócio, a roubo a joalheria, né? O esquema. O roubo a joalheria. A gente continua no próximo episódio, onde nós parou. Obrigado por vocês terem acompanhado até aqui. E peço para deixar um like, compartilhar, visualizar. Se gostaram, participem da comunidade Discord também, interagir lá. E é isso aí. A gente se vê no próximo episódio, beleza, galera? Como eu ia